Hello, people. My name is Mrinalini Thakur.
Guys, and as I said, I had promised that I'll be showing you, I'll be making one video wherein I'll be showing some of the exercises which I actually do, mix of yoga or at times, like for example, I do yoga combined with legs and bit of some hand exercises. I'll show a few, but then I'll show exercises wherein we don't need any equipment. So let's get started. What we require is warm up, because no matter what, even if you are regular, you need to warm up first. 5 to 7 minutes of warm up is required. Warm up means you relax stretch your muscles, the joint. Hold on for seconds. We'll do 5 each side. So, as I practice regularly, this portion needs to be bent and try to touch your temple onto your knees like this. Just see. It stretches your calves muscle, stretches this entire region, and it's really good warm-up exercise. This is for beginners. Now the other way around, I'll show. Put your hands, lean back on them. Hold it for a few seconds. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Try to put your legs straight, put your knees straight. Now, just one exercise, like the one warm up, and then we'll get started with the main exercises. Like this. So this increases the blood circulation, which is very useful for exercise. You can do 5 to 10, more than enough. Jump like this. Jump. 2. So this requires immense stamina. As sun is about to set, I need to quick, I need to fast. So probably the mud is quite wet, so it sounds quite hard. Okay? Sure.
difficult because after a really long time I have started. So burpees take a lot of stamina, a lot of strength. But then it improves the blood circulation of your entire body. We need to put our legs. After that, I'll show a few more exercises which are related to legs. As you know, squats is very easy. We can try squats. So you need to keep your legs at the distance, at your little more or at the distance of your shoulder. Keep it like this. Put your legs little behind. Twist it. Breathe in, rest for a few seconds, and then breathe out. One, so it has immense pressure on your back. If you are a beginner, if you start, if suppose you are a beginner, it has immense pressure on your back, on your spine. But then you need to be careful. I want to mention one important thing is that when you feel a slight pain on your back portion or on your knees or your spine, just stop the exercise then and there. Do it slowly, do it gradually with lesser repetitions. Like for first time you try for 5, then go for 8 and then 10, that ways. But try to do it regularly, because if you do it regularly and consistently, it will definitely show you results and you'll be able to do it easily. Hello people, as I said, I'm showing few reps, few exercises of legs, different types of squats, maybe 3 to 4 types of squats. And squats is very common, yet it is at times difficult because it needs a lot of stamina and it requires a lot of energy. So but then it is entire body exercise. So let's start with a simple squat. Between 2 to 3, after doing 1 rep for each exercise, you need to take a small break. If you're very thirsty, try to avoid, don't drink water, but if you still feel thirsty, just you can have a sip or 1 or 2 sips of water, not more than that. So on to the other exercise. So I'll be showing you a jump squat. If required, as I set timing in my phone, you can do that. You can set the timer and accordingly you can plan your workout, or you can work as per the reps. So I'll be showing you jump squat. let's get started. Okay, so to make it more easier, you need to first bend out like you are just like this. The position you need to jump. Like so this enhances, this regulates the entire blood flow in your body, and it's really good. It keeps you, it makes you tired, and it's super up, trust me. So I have completed my exercise and I have initiated my walk. I've just begun my walk. I'll do 2-3 rounds. This is the beautiful garden. I just want to show you, this is, I have done with my exercise, my evening yoga, my evening workouts, and sorry, as you see, the sun sets. People are actually walking, and I'll show. You can hear the chirping of birds in the background. You can listen. This is the huge banyan tree. As you see, there are small bushes of wildflowers, and this is proper peaceful hour for people. It's so beautiful. I won't touch the plants, but then I'll show you the closer view of the same. This is the way how it is, and maybe a walk or a small jog. And this is truly we are truly blessed that we have this beautiful garden over out here. They have a lot of efforts have been taken. You can see beautiful rose. As you see, rose bushes being grown here. It looks amazing. So I will, without forgetting my agenda, I'll start my walk, as you can see, and I'll show the view as I'm walking by. I would have showed you the jogging video as well, but then it will mess up. It will not be proper. Let's try. Let's give it a try. So this is the purpose of capturing this video, is actually to simultaneously capture the beauty and at the same time also do my evening jog. I change my location. At times I go to the beach, or at times I just come to a garden that way. So maybe 2 to 3 rounds I'll be doing. Now I need to just run. I'll run. I'm not sure how it would come, but I'll try. Let's change direction. It's risky to focus on running, take the video at the same time, but then I am known for doing multitasking. Woo. So when people ask me what is the reason I remain so fit and whatsoever. Well, this is it. Few exercises and keep remaining happy. I think positive all the time, and I don't think bad about anybody. I don't encourage negativity, and I think positive. I attract positivity, and what else? I love beauty. I try to see beauty in everything. So enough of talk. Let's get going. This is very funny. One more round and then it will be enough. Voila. I'm tired. I'm actually very much tired. I sit for a few minutes and I'll be get going. I'm relaxing for a while. As you can see, my face has turned out to be completely pink and red. I'll relax. Okay. Look at the beautiful sky. Wow. So I'm relaxing. So this is the way I plan my exercise, and if I get opportunity like today, I come out, I visit garden and I just do my stuffs, little exercise, and this is the way I remain fit. So I'll come again with my another video and then we will be doing it. Till then, stay positive, stay happy, stay cheerful. Ciao and bye-bye. Oof. Ta-da. Lots of love.